Never waste your time during your academic days. Follow these simple tricks to focus on study. Focusing on studies can help in academic success, personal growth, and future opportunities. So let's get started. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the best simple steps to focus on studies. Yes, before we dive deep into the topic, first, we should know about some basic things that are very easy to follow and useful for your studies. Focus on studies makes a conscious effort to direct your attention, time, and energy towards acquiring knowledge and skills. It implies a deeper commitment to understanding and mastering the subject matter. It doesn't mean that you should only always study a particular subject or topic. Instead, your dedication may involve engaging in additional reading, seeking out supplementary resources, participating in discussions, and actively participating in educational activities. Here, you can follow these simple steps to focus on studies. 1. Meditate for some time before you study. Do you know why you have to meditate before studying? Meditating before studying positively impacts your learning experience. Meditation helps calm the mind and reduce distractions. You can train your mind to stay focused on the task at hand. By taking a few moments to meditate before studying, you can lower stress levels and create a more relaxed mental state. Regular meditation has been linked to improvements in memory and cognitive function. By cultivating a mindful and attentive mindset through meditation, you may find it easier to retain and recall information during your study sessions. It also boosts your overall energy levels and alertness. Meditation often involves paying attention to the breath and bodily sensations. This increased awareness of the mind-body connection can contribute to a sense of staying present and engaged in your studies. Yes, when your body supports your mind, it will be very helpful to focus on study. 2. Sit in a quiet place. Reduced distractions. A silent place minimizes external distractions, allowing you to concentrate on your study materials without interruptions. This can help you maintain focus and absorb information more effectively. A quiet environment can promote better memory recall. When studying in silence, your brain can encode information more efficiently. Turn notifications off in your mobile, or you can turn off your phone while studying. Notifications, such as messages, social media updates, and app alerts, can interrupt your focus and break your concentration. Turning off notifications helps create a distraction-free environment, allowing you to fully engage in your study material. Constant notifications can disrupt your workflow and make it harder to concentrate. Taking breaks from notifications can provide a mental break and reduce the overall stress associated with being constantly connected. Notifications, especially during study time, can disturb your concentration towards study. Turning them off, or using do not disturb modes, ensures a more productivity in study. Turning off notifications enables you to prioritize your study time without the pressure of instant responses. Disabling notifications helps you stick to a schedule and manage your study time more effectively. 3. Revise what you studied. Regular revision helps you to remember everything you have studied. This gives you the opportunity to focus on those specific areas and fill any knowledge gaps. Revising enables you to practice applying what you've learned in different contexts, making it easier to remember information over the long term. Knowing that you've reviewed and are familiar with the material can boost your confidence, especially in your exam. It not only helps you remember information but also deepens your understanding, identifies areas for improvement, and contributes to long-term retention. Break down your study material into manageable chunks and assign specific time slots for each. Test yourself on the material without looking at your notes. This could involve flashcards, practice questions, or explaining concepts to someone else. Teach the topics to a friend, family member. If you can't teach like this, just imagine you have some people in front of you and teach to an imaginary audience. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat well, and stay hydrated. A healthy lifestyle positively impacts amazing memory power, and you have a better connection with your brain. In the beginning it may seem difficult, but it will be very useful during your academic time. Focus on study is not only about reading only what will come on the exam, but also you can read any educational, self-development books, or you can use any educational applications to gain more knowledge. Staying focused on studies can help individuals achieve their academic goals, whether it's graduating with honors, pursuing advanced degrees, or securing employment in their desired field. Focusing on studies can help in academic success, personal growth, and future opportunities. By prioritizing learning and dedicating time and effort to studying, you can develop your skills and knowledge. Study time in academic days will never come again in life. If you have this precious time in your life, enjoy it, enjoy your study, never waste your time during your academic days, because time cannot be earned once you spend it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy learning.